Hey, I hope you're having a great day. Today I'll be running you through how to set up a landscape website that not only gets leads, but then also sends follow-up messages to qualify them, as well as also sending out massive text campaigns to your clients in order to increase sales. So I'm over here on landscape appointments. It's just one of the templates that they offer. We're gonna go ahead and load that in. All right, so I just went ahead and grabbed all the assets, and now I'm gonna start adding them to the website and designing it. So we're gonna click on the logo, change the image, okay, greenfield landscaping, then grab all the photos, let them load in. And now that they're loaded, we are good to get started. So starting with the logo, resize it right here. That looks not bad. Put some radius, give it some round corners. There we go. I just made it circular. I didn't really notice the round corners. Went ahead and applied a shadow. Okay, so let's change this picture. Okay, so I just added this white thumbnail or white border around it with rounded corners. So I just added in this description: at Greenfield Landscaping, we're passionate about transforming outdoor spaces into vibrant, inviting landscapes that enhance the beauty and functionality of your property. With our expert team and comprehensive range of services, we're here to help you achieve the lawn and garden of your dreams. Then there's CR services and book appointment. Then we're gonna select 6-column row even further. We're gonna select that section, so when you click the button, it scrolls directly to there. Don't forget your save your work. It's happened to me before. Okay, now we're gonna focus on the book appointment button. So this is going to open up a pop-up. I'm gonna hit save, gonna hit the pop-up settings, add. I'm gonna go to elements, drag in form. Okay, first choose one column, then add form. And you would select your form from here. So now we're gonna go create our form. So I'll head back on out. So we're gonna create a form from scratch. I don't really like any of the layouts that they have. All right, we're gonna come over here, change the style, give it a background that's more suitable to the green that we're after. Okay, just gonna go ahead and make these names white. All right, so I went over to here, clicked on themes, loaded this one in. Now we're just gonna modify it a little. So on submit, thank you for taking the time to complete this form. Okay, come over here, change this to something more professional. Change the picture. Okay, change the label, change the short label, change the placeholder, change the button text, font. I'm gonna go ahead, hit save. And that's it. Now we have our basic form. Hit save. Now let's head over back. Okay, let's come back to the website. Now when we click on book appointments, it's going to open up the pop-up. Go in our pop-up settings and add back the form that we just created, and then go ahead and choose it. Boom, look at that, beautiful. I'll hit save. Now we're going to go ahead and work on the our CR services section. So I just went ahead and modified the base down here as well. I'm going to make this just a bit smaller. Just changing the padding a little, make the section a little smaller. So I just threw in these 2 testimonials that I found on their Facebook page. I'm just gonna go ahead and fill out the our services section. All right, so all I did was really just put in some text. I've been running a couple of prompts back and forth to generate different things, but it's pretty much done, and we have the pop-up created. So the next section is to design the SMS campaign. So ideally what's going to happen is they're going to click free estimate. They're going to want to learn more. They're going to put in their name, email, phone number, and then we're going to have a follow-up sequence after that lead is captured to be able to get qualifying questions as well as any sort of information that the company might need in order to better assist this person. So that was part 1 of the series on how to make your own website in GoHighLevel. The next part is going to be how to set up SMS campaigns so that we can follow up with the clients, qualify them, have all of that be automated, and then to also send out massive SMS campaigns for existing clients in order to maximize sales. I hope you enjoyed part 1, and I'll see you on part 2. If you got any value out of this, please consider dropping me a subscribe. Thanks, and I'll see you on the next one.